Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best spark plugs in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best spark plugs that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Bosch 9614 Double Iridium OE Replacement Spark Plug. It might not be a surprise that Bosch is entering our list again with one of the longest living plugs out there. The double platinum design helps these plugs last up to 4 times longer than conventional options. But we should say that Bosch has outdone themselves by ensuring everything will help it live nearly as long as the vehicle. We'll start by highlighting the essential details. Again, it uses a double iridium design to maximize reliability, heat control, and wear resistance. But to aid in performance, an ultra-thin 0.6mm tip is present. That tiny tip makes for a hotter yet easier ignition to boost performance. It's got a ribbed insulator that helps to prevent misfires as well. And you can't look past the nickel-plated shell, which offers total corrosion-resistant and anti-seize properties. Moving on at number 4. We have the Autolite APP53254PK Double Platinum Spark Plug. Here we have a plug designed to meet modern motorists' demands without taking them to the cleaners. This plug has a few design aspects that enhance startup and run quality and promote a longer lifespan than many others. They feature the durability necessary for running 100,000 miles and are backed by a 5-year guarantee. The most notable characteristic of the plug is that it uses a double platinum layout to promote a long and healthy lifespan. This design offers much better resistance to wear and enhanced heat control that prevents fouling. One thing that really helps this plug performs is the neck-down center electrode. This feature enables the plug to fire much easier to aid in starting and acceleration. At number 3, we have the INK 7090 BKR5 EGPG Power Spark Plug. The INK 7090 is an excellent all-around spark plug that features a few characteristics which separate it from the others. This plug features a 98% pure copper core with a single platinum tip. The platinum is much more resistant than copper and makes for a much cooler, longer-lasting plug. But what makes this a great plug aren't just the elements it features, but how it puts them to work. The use of laser platinum is present to match the manufacturer's specific needs. Rather than trying to make dramatic changes, the emphasis on meeting specifications preserves factory quality. Using a trapezoidal ground strap helps improve performance by reducing quenching, helping the plug maintain the proper temperature. Another notable feature of this plug is the use of alumina silica ceramic to provide more substantial insulation. Overall, the quality and construction of the plug are perfect for the average modern daily driver. At number 2, we have the ACDelco 41-103 Professional Iridium Spark Plug. This plug is ideal for performance-driven vehicles as well as older vehicles that need conventional plugs. ACDelco boasts that these plugs can last up to 100,000 miles, depending on the application. The iridium tip minimizes spark erosion, and it's designed to prevent compression leakage. The plug also increases fuel efficiency because the spark gap stays nearly the same during its lifespan. The plugs come perfectly gapped for certain makes and models, such as Chevy and GM vehicles. You will notice a difference in startup and performance after you swap out your old plugs for these Iridium plugs. They are a great value for the price and come from a company that is known for its quality products. It's hard to find any issues with these plugs. One downside is that the plugs may fall out of their packages during shipping, which may cause them to break. Also, while they work great on some vehicles, they're not designed to work on all makes and models. And finally at number 1, we have the Champion RC12YC spark plug. Here we have a fantastic plug for older vehicles that bode well with a copper plug. The Champion name is one of long-standing favorites in the segment, particularly by those who stick to American-made cars. The reason is the outstanding performance and reliability. No matter the kind of driving the plug is subjected to, this particular plug does feature a solid copper core. And while that may not be as appealing as those that feature rare metals, it has a distinct advantage in vehicles meant to use this kind of plug. The copper core and nickel-copper alloy electrode offer excellent heat control for superior performance and wear control. There's no doubt that you will understand why they are found on most American vehicles from the factory when running them. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.